Hey everyone, welcome to iOS Hacker. If your phone calls are not going through on your iPhone, meaning calls fail, don't connect, or instantly drop, don't worry. In this guide, I will show you exactly how to fix this issue step by step. Here, we will cover toggling airplane mode, checking carrier settings, resetting network settings, and updating iOS. Let's get started. Let's try toggling airplane mode first. This is the fastest fix and often works instantly. For this, open the control center, turn on airplane mode, wait 30 seconds, turn it off again. This refreshes your cellular connection and reconnects your iPhone to the network. Now try making a phone call. If it still doesn't work, move to the next step. Now check your signal and SIM card. Make sure you have signal bars and it doesn't say no service or SOS only. If you see no SIM or no service in the status bar of your device, remove your SIM tray, reinsert the SIM card properly, and restart your iPhone. Also, try making a call in a different location in case the issue is weak coverage. Sometimes your carrier releases updates that fix calling issues. To check this, open the Settings app, go to General, tap About, wait 10 to 15 seconds. If a carrier settings update pops up, tap Update. This can instantly fix call related problems. If calls are still failing, your network configuration may be corrupted. To reset it, open the Settings app, go to General. Here, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode. Remember, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, but it won't delete your photos or apps. After your iPhone restarts, reconnect to Wi-Fi and test calling again. Software bugs can also cause calling issues. To update your iPhone, open Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Install any available updates. Apple frequently fixes network and carrier bugs in iOS updates, so updating your iPhone can solve the calling issues that you are facing. If nothing has worked so far, the issue may be a temporary carrier outage, an unpaid bill, a blocked SIM card, or an account restriction. Call your carrier from another phone and ask if there are any service issues. So, if your phone calls are not going through, remember to toggle airplane mode on and off, check signal and SIM, update carrier settings, reset network settings, and update iOS. One of these fixes usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching.